Communication Mastery by Rahul Bhatnagar presents the biggest online public speaking championship. This is my official entry for round 1. Mindset matters more than talent. Let me tell you a story to justify why I think so. Have you ever heard of Roger Bannister? In 1954, he was the first person to run a mile within 4 minutes. Centuries before that, it was believed that if you will run that fast, your heart will explode. Bannister did that in 3 minutes 59 seconds. 2 months after Bannister achieved that, another person broke the record and 1.5 seconds faster than Bannister. The latest record is set on 3 minutes 43 seconds, which is 17 seconds faster than Bannister. So, how is this possible? जो टास्क लोग इम्पॉसिबल मानते थे वो भी इतने सालों तक की आज इतने लोग उस टास्क को अचीव कर पा रहे हैं. दिस इज़ वेयर द रोल ऑफ माइंडसेट कम्स इन. बेसिकली जैसे ही बैनिस्टर ने ये रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा, लोगों के दिमाग में ये इम्पॉसिबल सा टास्क पॉसिबल हो गया. उनको एक गोल, उनको एक डायरेक्शन मिल गई इस चीज़ को अचीव करने के लिए. सो दे वर्कड हार्ड on it, and as there are more talented people than Bannister in this world, they broke the record of Bannister. But as Bannister had the mindset, he was the first one to break that myth and create a record. So by this we can say that you need a mindset with talent to achieve a goal. But scientists believe that if you want to be amazing at anything or any task, you just need to practice it for 10,000 hours, which is 3 hours per day for 9 years. Suppose you want to be a guitarist and you don't know anything about guitar, but you have a goal in your mind that you want to be a guitarist. You just need to practice it again and again. By setting a goal, you will get a motivation and you will sooner or later achieve it. So that's why it is said, practice makes man perfect. It doesn't matter how talented you are, if you don't have the mindset, you will never try and push yourself to achieve that goal. You first have to win the game in your mind, then in the real world. So it is important to have a mindset and talent both. But mindset matters more than talent. If you have a talent but not the mindset, your talent will get wasted. But if you have a mindset, somehow you will work hard and achieve the goal by that mindset. That's why a school coach named Tim Notkey said that hard works beat talent when talent is not working hard. And that's what I think too. Think about it.